Yes, I actually have a da music about the so crown, a wobon como, to me na afa, or a gender. First, I can pay first a gender, not a being a besio, or a being a baby seer, Damina Yaka, and that a cacrin, okay, sex is none who I am being a baby seer. Na until you are CCTU, I fear, your 40 years. Na CCTU, why don't I go back to the go to chief for fufu? Sa plan no go or one way you crab, one way you crab. And today we'll be a gender desk or CCTU. Na why gender desk or CCTU? Biba kada asama bahwa. Sana Adam doctor to America sanono. Na it's abasma bahwa chere ahwana asana sorry because nkano akai ko CCTU na asodon fi bi ne nemo nti ndampo demonstration schools akasaka say antanti. But first, we will demonstrate some people. Na said gender desk na sana ba na akoma to bia abaho another etumotin. Ntama am doctor aye owura Magdalene ABAKAH or coordinator gender desk CCTU Cape Coast Technical University. Opeyala na him be here yesro. Bia him ni yankuneti masa. Na him be here yesro. And people ọba reception mu ne ma na asiro ba no so asiro nze chere nkete huza yeboa ma ya ma sese pinyere tuma ba to ma wontum ntiza otum no orkwa na ase no ohu zara dog good morning
sir
apo me yeze muhu wa chere so
oye no kwa
ejmeze no do
I busy
Agro, obey. Dog, CCTU, what's the gender desk? Why gender desk at CCTU?
Okay, Medasipi. Good morning to what it's a phone na. CCTU, yeah, baby, yeah, bomb wasn't there. Yeah, about Yampuntu, na ya kwenye na oye institution bia ya boye hu mbozin na nsem de ye pede bibi biara ana obi biara obaba university ni mu no obotum no ho botton wa kwan nyina mu na ye hwehwa mankan den United Nations ewa wo nyama bia was bobo as a friend sustainable development goals aha na them sustainable development goals here was be na when you sum I think 2015 ni na was setting up na when you sum there until 2030 no enye mebi wo ho amana amane nyina order wotum was to gwa I mean like was to kwema oma impuntu asomdwe peace and all of that into no say or friend na one goals na for no what's the quality education into no CCTU nyimde say institution na ye tinkrofa or dey yetum yema quality education na quality education no or dey ensure that you know besie or the onya akwenya onye de obia ebia wo sankan de ontum mfaha intum yedam course onye de bo madam azano otum oba or de obi aso ba wo school na otum na osuaze na okwa no ho so onka de obi harass obi so na obi ye nedam into that will promote quality education into ono no ye SDG 4 no so na 5 na ono se ye ba achieve gender equality that means that onye besianko na onye benyin nko bibiara ye no university ni mu no ode ye hu de benyin wo kwan na besia so wo kwan aha nto ye bia yen programs na azbo na wa ye de baby wo ho mbesiafo no doors sinim benyin nti baze na yebotum ya ye awareness be na yebotum ye create the engineering no onye hu dam but yebotum na aye wo so ye besi yebotum aye onye de bia catering no ye besia nkotin na otumi ye na ye create awareness nti ni nyina akeka ho na hen vice chancellor nenyo agide yen university no yebotum na yezidam nyame nyina yeza tutu akwam even leadership ebokọ no na deans no ebi obi nyihupo ye besia ana eco management ya eboko bia mbenyin nkotin ana de HR work from krofa ana wo hwe mbenyin nkotin ana wo hwe mbesiafo nkotin ode ye nya balance na equity obaba system ne mu nti dam adwin port dam na wa ma CCTU we ke hia de ye benya dam desk no wo ho na ye tum dam nhihye nyina ye zechi ma wa so enyi nti on nti na ye dam gender desk
yeah my doctors out tomorrow kai na maka mevesi something ka cha prof educhum nanse meton ka cha prof bi obi an page me show Dr. Abo oye gender equity gender equality wa boy harassment say e be no kokura wa cheche bim but doc say you can gender equality that shows the American mean na masafin na wada yetumi ye pay another yetumi boy 70-30 oboboy 50-50 so oboto boy and 60-40 so oboto boy
nyina boa mo hianye de onye de oye besiafo nko oye mbenyifo nko at least say yentum yenya 50-50 mpa at least yenya 60-40
okay
yenya 60-40 so ba na admission a ode ye hwe de menyifo no na mbesiafo no ekon na onye too wide na areas a ye hwe ye hu de menyifo nkodam side go no community na society hona adwen de bia de na benyi no koye catering na aze but ye wo menyifo bebre a wo ye chef fine into no ye be aware ye be create awareness na student na ehu de munua bi wo ho mo no onye kodwo besiasam na emom no so na scale anyakopon zema ne na odo otum na oye nti oye part of hen duties and the gender desk de ye bo hwe de damanyama no orokodo
doc each day wo bonds me be yin kam da say ye me hu yan sha sentama na me be kechi ate de desk na ba and the desk ne pere de kan school nsia no na efo otum no oboa doc
yes the desk no ka homa wa aboa nhihye na ebi go go form the down today be a harassment me a year can harassment ye wo counseling unit enfeda in another for years now one na share harassment issues ye create awareness na as the onyido obiara oma obi hye another oma onya kwan na onyeza opedo ye onko baby opedo ko ebe threat no bi ana why education system ebe na obi no maka de yi or marks 70 yi afaha nsem bi wo ho oyo oba ne dam wo tertiary institutions mu ntina ye wo counseling unit a ohwe damazan nti no sisi an wo hyem kina na wat osande eko most tertiary institutions in we are na nyina na gender samno ye pede ye hyemukina nti university so baby orokọ no na ye hwa or de ye ze yen ho bata damazan na say mu se mpe funding na za wa brochire na twetwo wo applications zokwa oye no pede wo hu de university ephemeral ba no whatase de obia ka hu bia na inclusivity obia ye wo policies a ochre obia wakwanya de otumi ye course ope otumu ko baby ope ya ye nyama obi rofo stairs tida merba one he with the disability ni nyina kan ye hu nobody is marginalized ye nje obi echi na nka dem group yi won tumi ye dem group yi won obotuma aye ono ho asam na wa ma gender desk ne ye ba be hye mu kena ma nka no wo ho nti ya ma nanyi ma da ho ankasa wo investing mu
ya ma nanyi ma da ho dam na dog otum na orka wo oye investing na fie tumi ya ko akohenem na fie tumi na aboa dog de ne mirusa na so e ba he half me ze otum na ya ye na fie tumi na ya akohenem e bi so dog de ye hwe de school no bia wo fiazo ho I'm talking about offices. Are we using our mouth to campaign? To make the kind of we have gender diversity. Now that you are if that's office. So where can we locate the office in Yoko or your university, my dog?
Okay, me that's the P. Inte onya no sam. My vice chancellor osa oye. Inte no gender desk ye wo office wo ho. Ye wo general administration ground floor ho na. Osa na hands and yeze disability aka ho nti. Ya ma hen office na nkoso. Ye wo ground floor ho na idu reception ara. Ibisa ye wo dam floor na ground floor ho na. When a gender desk no owo nti ye office ankasa ye staff ho ye hwe ye na nsɛmwi na ye pede ye hu de se ye ka gender dodo ata aseden ye pede ye pensem nti ye audit gender audit nti there's a survey ye a questionnaire na aze ye call round nti nimu no ye set up gender audit team wonye hene ye adwuma nti office bia no our rep wodo office bia our rep do HR wo ho academic wo ho quality assurance wo nyina wo reps wo audit team no do na ye checho ye questionnaire ye zama students no onye staff ni nyina o sende ti American o ya no samara na nti though they ye gender policy wo school ni mu no nyipa himpo na wonyim de gender policy ni wo ho nyimpa henpo na wonyim de wa set up the office no inti no or de ye hwe na ye create awareness but na ye feel de obehia de nyankasa ye be ye mpensem me na ye hu de no kwa dodo na wonyima de gender bi asam wo ho a dodo na wonyim de ye wo policy a or de ye zi edwuma nti ye trend de analysis na worry ne beba na management ehu baby asinto wo bia na ho no gender office na ya ahye na edwuma na ase papa pankasa na baby a asinto wo baby ebinum nyim baby a policies ni bi wo ho a wanfa gender sensitivity na hyehyem no ye review policies a ye wo no edwuma mu ho nyina na ya ahwe de say yes gender sama ana policies no they look at it inti oye edwuma sisi afiti January reba na yere oncha police findings ne beba na yezibotu gwa na university ni nyina wehu na impuntu biara na nhye biara yezibotu akwema obiara ehu especially students no ye pilots na ehu the students no fa wonyim de oho inti vice chancellor during the last matriculation okay one day was set up the gender office no na obi bia the doors are open or you're committed to the over promote inclusivity or campus bia na some na voice every voice must be heard channels of communication ni nyina is that bia botum na the doors are into the office ni binyen yare dam audit no na yezehu ma ye ne situation ete nta ase no okwadan because gender office no or very
gender office no doctor so very very new na yerbisa doc there yenhwe is part of teaching and learning or a complainant or your officer up and there ndeme bi mkoye as a student ndeme bi mkoye as teacher in between or ya bafraba na yebaba complain and a part of courses are ye tumne doc
Jim America no already nankasansa na yebe gender office channels bebre wo ho a students obotum na bibi ha ho na wazoboko they already have their mouthpiece student representative council wo ho one dean of students wo ho ye wo counseling unit wo ho a no sumpo every time a wo baby aye before be matriculate orientation ya chira office no there's a numbers ni nyina to students na so association department bia wa association we interested in one welfare into one so president or PR or one chief justice na nyama wotum na was the one some was the call ma ohianye de asam na okwa obenyam boy so the channels no wo ho mum obane de yeba address issues no ehona this nenwa wo because of feel the students no one experience or share how they actually even sell the university o send obi baba na obokọ na wenya akwenya wenya environment a oye conducive there bibia dezin na oze ya befi school ho ono nyaza henenyu agye ho enti ba makwenya ne nyina wo ho na gender office no merkada wa be hye mkina kepede ono no oye more specific there ma enter say oho akodu bia obi zinaba na oho na abofo ne rusa na ozina epui ina obi bi said na invest so order ye tema obi zinaba ozeba na ye de o inclusivity obi a bibi enyi hodo si obi akwande oboba school na emum ihe na other facilities ni bi wo ha ye create nti dey say urban no o kakraba na o helper wo katsina ho na bi ehwe ne ba mu odo kama na enufa wa akoda medan mu na che de yeze osiri yoyo che de obia akwen ye nka de ewe ne ntintum nko school intum fa wo bamba intum ye de ya ati obi school wo nursery wo ho ni na akwanja wo ho de obi ba school na so wo ba obotum zina na akọ opona wa akọ akafa ye pede ye dam link ni nyina madam nyama ni nyina we fi ho into ye dwuma so nankasa we say do cut across all the offices all library na nyina odo obi enya access to them facilities yarisha de blocks ni nyina nya the ground floor nkotin umana where they say differently abled no when you know what to akosho to every lecture hall nti damenya men na say yetum hen audit na azena ba management hu baby a gaps ni nyina wo na yetum nti eventually would have a better stronger institution.
Yako yene yimi ibijina hina papa yako yene mutu embe soroko na ebisa dog there na yenhwe in terms of work schedules are otumo ho bin mo ho dada me dog kan no you were ISIC fu hom panyifu ho na you were another communication our department ho for to be wotum na nsanyun koye wotum bobo nkomo dog gender or baba kan wi and this is a bit of a catch. Obaka conflict of interest. Another was in the meaning.
Yeah, she's in pepe. In Tinyami and Hono, Samaka gender, what it means for CCTU in there. Yaba foster a safe, equitable academic work environment. In Tibia or relate to there, what is Shawodo? Only a more specific to Morphis. What is Shawodo? Na facilities no in Yahoo Kwan. In classrooms no in one so ma ibinum ntum nko ho quality assurance what should amazon but say obi zebatu yen notice wo gender yebezi hu dwuma enwa onya nankoten ye hwe so de yeba support disabilities. I mean any group of people biara ni hwa other way marginalized was a fancy yeba kan but ye njo bi echi ni nyina ka ho enti maye pa chenye de se obi feel the mention dam oye besia na oye student benyin na lecture be ho na adwen de mo yo si na onye awo pa gender office no wo de ebotum na aba be ye report enwazena na akwenya wo ho na wo friend modalities na procedures ayezebe from ama etum enya adwen papa na ezesua waze na eza pass na akọ onye de lecture issue lecture na ho intum nkodam lecture ebi wo ho na course bi odo ye ontum ye issue lecture na bibi it should not happen into order ye awareness na students no bohu de specifically one academic situation na obi bedi won enyi oba harass one oba downplay one oba kasa you know you talk to them in a manner that demeans them oma me fancy but like Oma infeel well nipa easy mu wahomanka ho aha bibiara obi beye bia oma wahomanka ho feel free na bra gender office na yenyi all the departments all the deans yenyi one link into bibinya we know how to handle and ensure that there is safe environment conducive environment that will be able to na assembly enyo
doc in the campus we off campus doors sen or in campus I to I just did a button or blend with one bois in your could was it me pay it outside the upper and there washing I mean where she or he stays or other than us and then the few rock I handed down or
into no CCTU you recognize the students in the campus in your into no when it comes to sexual harassment now your procedures wo so some no or you between our non students fellow students na ampere dean of students in office wo you can go and make your complaint na so your hostel nimpa we already have connection with all the hostel owners no yenye hone ye meeting mber to mber into no dam ma ye church nyina ye meetings na ye zibi ka ho ka kira won there so sampa there bi o ye home business but ye no nkrofo na wo hoi into no nyama bi wo ho no through the dean of students no we bring it to the notice of all the hostel owners ma wa ya aware the nyama dam nti bibia ro besi no so there all your students nkotenze ye twanamo no wo ho aha onye the campus na ebe no nkoten but so ori simple wo baby e wona na eye student asemum oye student na outsider or an outsider outsider into supportive measures for her in office in the dean of student office for her so the process no occur to the police because if I couldn't certainly Ghana laws so oye juma and na hence to ye Ghana laws as into support be yes mama the mini pakoro na oye student the master no to know all the process and all the support yes yes ba mani pakoro
Don't okay no melanche dog nche wo boba 10:30 na church do ha na the beach say that issue so doc mo ka 10:30 na akoma tu but ma the mo boss me zin kuma doctor onyem bir kra nche ko start be hu do nche dog go to ma ja nche but that's what mo ginam so nche me dog here the sustainability and the future of this department and this number
okay yen objectives are yankasa ye use wo gender honye da ye pede ye develop ye implement gender related policies na ye feel that them policies ye tum ye timtim ni ye ya in the next 5 years university or you guided by them policies ya obi obodu CCTU no obohu de ahumka wo ho aha ye pede ye raise awareness or one of our objectives ye raise awareness on gender equality and inclusivity issues into no ye unions ni nyina bekasa ye student groupings ni nyina bekasa so awareness campaign ye started the area make sure that ye benya kwenya wa hana ya baba kasa for into no me so ye as once ye ma as no otin na up every lecturer who comes no ebuhu de ne obatna ho acher unlike say siara nyobia na ohyeda nyimo sendo oye fufuro minti na da mameke no ye pede ye provide support system na support system no ye hen audit area partners are NGOs na za wo support gender issues another ye botum ye raise funds na wa boy hen wo Jumeza ye pede ye ne establish gender ne so well no ye bo contact one na one so wa abohen intine by and large no you feel there say you encourage female participation or you no go for say ye ka gender happen no chede mbesiafo as the queen or ye mbesiafo some na there most of yen traditional or ye na ye raise mbo ye why do go school into the one mazana ko dey equality one no dey man more attention waka dem besiafo na akechu the dada wuntina o gender na o ye besiafo some more no but you be encourage female participation ama baby wo bondo ma was to committee won be say bi dem be say no one voice waka ahye enti no by this no on the next 5 years na say ye to me aye the major memo ways ma appointment bi a school na re no wobeke de order gender yenya besia bi yezeka ho yenya da ha ye besia fonkoten a yenya mbenyin nso nka ho ntonye besia fo sam no so nkoten na equal opportunity onye de yekada wet de ntumi ye the master no onye de yekachi obia for you believe that we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us nti obi enyi webeka de ono ntumi ye damazi. We don't want to hear that. So be pedo ye bibia. No, you discuss that. Ye manity. Ye man all the support. Kon on fine. That's the mama collaborating with relevant stakeholders. Or ye any judgment. That mean ye mean ye to me ya. May sure papa pade gender no. Obedo biana no. Nantase ne baba. Nanyaza ye be infighting. You be invited more office and many fully be you know say it is a gender office. I've also come. No, say yes, the office is also for you. The office is also for you. Into no sustainability no or because we have the support of management. So the you be them na the vice chancellor or ye be possible recently no. Women's Day or supporting him palm no fine it was well attended and all ni nyina chere gradually no university no retase the office has come to stay nti bibia management be no when we feel the woba agenda ne so ne portion na support nti it's sustainable, very sustainable.
Yeah, doctor said, "Obijere na papa, ojire na do ankasa yaza obutum na wa akoko fom kra Professor Kweku Enyim Buache prof asa ehwe edasi papa visi edasi nti Professor Kweku Educhum Enyim Buache emisha papa hema me say de bia tan hu na chi papa na mum prof I'm sure they can one there skase mum wise na mum e beta wo ye women sadza onto friend na don't for them to understand the desk, you know what they are doing. Because CCTU, the parent never mapping Yanoba. Nimum young Cabana Casa, the hostel P. Taka Brahma's and number host. I'm here, Biano, to be in the campus because we have land. As I said, yes, as a baby assassin, you're done a assassin, but as I said, are your papa, dog roco. A beautiful person, your friend, will visit her or an office. Nay, a quack shares a wotum no way. Nay, I ship where the office is located. Nay, a tum nabwa. Professor, be a mocno here, papa, and order to move. I shall so motum notum. The dog, a woman and some letafa. Nephew, I'm him, no, I could cheat me for or could be busy. Now, so, Cosative and Hodent in a wabber. Dog. Okay, see, that's to be brave. Maybe the macadam. Oye ne enyije de in the etun safrehen na the world over obuhu de yeni university no we are coming of age have an international standards and international best practices ono na yejina da area entire yezato dam gender office no ye pede yen environment yen teaching environment academic environment ni nyina oye conducive nanso ye mo somdwe a obutum ozi shianaze experience biara obi abaho onyan odo oye good experience na ye mo hu the university is supportive or open up in classrooms bibi oda ye ma enya maka se shiaza da man nkita hu zo okodo wo campus no so se bibi nyina onkoye a ye open hen offices na up na ye tum na ya hwe da man ye pedi benyin na nyim besiafo nyinara oda wonya equal opportunity into no so bande epede be ye course wo CCTU a onye de kada we benyin nti entumi ye catering entumi ye secretaryship entumi ye nyame bia
ebia the whole community no feel the yo benyi na edwuma be say na edwuma the mazen no exist way obi biara opeda obey program biara no ye pede ya show ne de oba support biara obehia no ye pede ye zema hon ye pede ye ko out ye me yehu de obi enyi ho a obaka de mention dam oweni you know like you say differently into me use one sir in some way a corner wo able to maba so into me use when you we want to make sure that obiara yen sanka no de able to my course or CCTU the man na yepede ye ka kire yen lecturers no onye supporting staff awo ho nyina de waka ho na yer bom na yenye gender office na ye adwuma na ensure the students are be in offices yema ho na asopa na yete ho na yetum mbo biara oda yezebo hon ya abo hon enti no CCTU egbe ne doors ama bibiara na harassment some policies wo and procedures wo onye do biara sure de bibi recorda ontumanka enti won feel free na wombra na hen office no Mr. was general administration idu ho reception ara eboko to wo left yenye public relations for ye opposite nti public relations one office wo there yenze wo nenchana pepe nti duwa ye gender desk obo ho asana ebe enter pobo na gender desk office no obo enyim ho a nti ebu onye ye akwan
yo doctor said nti ebu hu onye ye akwan kura ba the doctors papa the wotu no ye mbiro onye abotwe nkomo no dwumezu doso na so da muzika mekan nche obonu numpa nche iguru itan ye bitan obita but mbiro na mahekwa na fe tum na yenyene onye ntwetwe nkomo kra mbiro man kwa me ntwetwe nkomo nche ibada oye doctor ama nizinin ama ma abapede mizinin senza na mbibi abasekore de mizinin na menyo njo na so doctor wasisa the first day I met the wizard, and I said, "Hey, Asamabo." So let me miam. When I should love the name embrace with the negativity. But could not carry them anyway. She created a lot of mess, problem all over, and the first day I met the Asambaba, Asambaba, but it also helped me because Abuam, but then I depend on make a mistake. When you are here, may be so. The distance of the bay one, if I nobody knows. And so that shows that son is in here, and Kasangas and in Pokona was a turning na nti ibada oya doctors papa da wo tumi no aba no aba ababua
nti da the enya emberma hena no pe ye da bebre
right nti offer to be ibaba na ana doctor baba ye bokọ oye asoye ho na efi eyin doctor tumi akwadwo nkomo
welcome
na impawasa na doctor no full name ya abaje nti my doctor na sombo na OMAR aba ni zinin doc what's your full name and say ya abaje
no full name Dr. Mrs. Madeline Batrop ABAKAH
nti bia ati nti doc na wa abonezi nti ebada asi baba akokari also ma oya Louis oya happy birthday akokari da si de bia etum na ehwe oya Constantine Akori Junior the man so na ima oya Madam Pastor Chiazu oya Agre Memorial Senior High School now so oya house mistress or house mistress no so ima belated happy birthday Razi etum na abua mo ya afoko etum aka no fi ho ebada obi biara si demo ikije doctor kwan we are basa hechi aba and da ya oya World Art Day na ye kwai oya Cape Coast Technical Institute. Then we have Cape Coast Technical University. Nti bi baka je hu juniors na ekoho ihu ka celebrate dan. Nzama pi nya na otumo kodo artworks pi na mo frama wodo ho nsa tum na aye. O mama ahwe za otumo kodo abra akira ba Susan onye dom pi nya te ho bonkomo. Na mo yeda aye ho ya yekija doctor kwan na yeba ya bobo da mo nkomo so. Edo bi biaras.
Body we say, ana not Malayas. Ejay, change no papa. Abedullah. Shadi we say, obi anu we ya. Inti say nebi ya kai unia. Ipa be bio na so ambe ni nyina. Nembo, so opportunity the bass say oyina. Benjobia. Kasi musabedi odoso, wajenje no wabokwantam. Obi baba, obi poko na pepe no wabokwantam. Kasi no around. Let me see what goes around, me surely come around. Ewa ubi a menjino, pati deni pa menjino. Ma we nyanye ma uyangu. Awa ubi a menjino, ati deni pa menjino. Ma we nyanye ma uyangu. With a brag, and that.